Hey friends, and welcome to this week's weekly grocery haul and meal plan inspiration. We're here at Aldi once again for our weekly shopping. I've started doing shop with me, so go ahead and check out the shop with me that goes along with this video when you're done or before, whatever you want to do. And please make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. And let's go shopping. Okay, here we are. We are back from Aldi and Wegmans, and we also made the one stop at Tops. Just our milk, which I didn't film in the shop with me. So, yeah, guys, go ahead and check out that shop with me. I got it up for you. And I will leave the link in the description down below. Okay, yeah, let's get into it. We'll start right over here. I got almost everything from Aldi. I'll let you guys know what I got from Wegmans, though. So I have a bunch of herbs today, actually. I have some cilantro. This is going to be for like a Thai dish particularly, but I can use it in a whole bunch of things. And then behind that, I have our bananas. I have like 15 bananas here. Hopefully that'll do. I also grabbed some broccoli. This is going to be for like stir-fry vegetable curry dishes, stuff like that. Same thing with these baby Bella mushrooms here. I got those. I have a little pint of blueberries. Oh my goodness, I couldn't think of what they were called for a second. Blueberries. My son's been liking the blueberries lately too. And then I have a little cucumber here. A couple pantry staples, my vegetable staples that I always keep around. Some garlic that I needed to restock up on. As well as I have some yellow onions here. These I got from Wegmans because Aldi does not carry fresh herbs, too many fresh herbs, really only the cilantro. I have some fresh dill. I'm going to make that a vole mano, and I'm going to actually film the recipe for that in case you guys are looking for it. I know somebody asked for it, so I'm going to film the vole mano. And here I also have some fresh living basil. They don't sell just like this is their bunch of basil. Like they sell this with the roots still intact. I'm gonna assume because basil is like really fragile, so it's probably the best way to keep it freshest for longest. So I got some of that. Limes. These came from Wegmans as well. So I got 2 limes. And then I have here back from Aldi peppers. I got the 3-pack of sweet peppers here. This came from Wegmans actually. The stroopwafels, I bought this like the past 2 weeks just because they were discontinuing these and they're on sale. So I grabbed one more of those. And from Tops here real quick, just the milk. I got the organic soy milk. My son drinks these ones. And I got those from Tops. This here, the almond milk, vanilla almond milk, I got this from Aldi because I have some of this here chai, oh my gosh, concentrate right there. The words right in front of me. I got some of this chai concentrate, so I have some milk to go with it. And that chai concentrate I bought last week. You can see those, I actually bought the London Fog one last week. You can see that in my last shop with me. All right, moving on back to Aldi. I have so much stuff from Aldi here. Let's see, we have a couple of pantry staples. I grabbed some salsa. I thought that this 4-pepper salsa looked good. Oh, hang on, guys. There we go. I'm trying to get this in focus. It's not really working, but I grabbed the 4-pepper salsa. It's looking really grainy. I don't know why, guys. I'm sorry. So yeah, I have the 4-pepper salsa. This has like jalapenos, picking chili peppers, chipotle, and guajillo. And then I also grabbed some tomato sauce. This is, they have this on sale, so I went ahead and grabbed the tomato basil. They also have like a cheese and like a marinara. Another staple, apricot preserves. I like to keep some kind of jelly around just so we can do peanut butter and jelly if all else meals fails. As well as, speaking of which, some more peanut butter. I have a bit left in my pantry, but we're starting to run low. So I went ahead and I decided to grab another one to keep that. Sliding down just a bit. Oh my goodness, hang on. My son stole one of my things. That's better. Okay, the Parmesan cheese. My son stole the Parmesan cheese and put it in the different room. So I grabbed one of these as well as some cheddar cheese here. I like the bricks. I usually shred it myself because it is a little bit cheaper. And also, if you're going to melt cheese, I like using the bricks because they don't have cornstarch. The bagged shredded stuff usually is tossed with cornstarch so all the cheese little shreds don't stick together. This obviously is just one solid brick, so it melts a little bit smoother if you're planning on melting. Next, eggs. We have some eggs just to restock in the fridge just because I'm using up what I have. A couple of meats. I didn't get too many meats this week. I do have some chicken in my freezer still, which I'm going to use up. Some shrimp. And to be honest, I don't even remember. I think I'm doing shrimp tacos. My brain is like fried right now. That, and then I also grabbed the oven roasted chicken breast. I love the Castlewood brand. The honey roasted turkey is really good too. The chicken is one of my favorites for sure. Now, I got this here from Wegmans, the rice vermicelli. I'm going to be making like a Thai curry soup dish, and I wanted to have the nice thin noodles for it. I'm trying to see if you can see through it. No. Woo! Oh, hang on. No, we can't see through it. I just dropped it on the floor. Okay, and then behind that, I grabbed some brown basmati rice. This one is the specially selected brand, so this is from Aldi. Last week, Aldi had like absolutely no bread, so this week I grabbed 2 of them because they were more stocked up. They actually had bread on the shelves this time. But what they still did not have was the chicken nuggets. So this week, according to a viewer suggestion, which was an awesome tip, so thank you so much for that. She said that when they don't have chicken nuggets, she just gets the chicken patties and she cuts them up for her kids. So I decided to do that. I grabbed 2 of those bags just because I don't know if they're gonna have them next week either. They've been really low on like their frozen chicken stuff lately. Let's see, a couple more things from Aldi here. I grabbed the tall kitchen bags, the tall flaps. I like the flaps because you get so many more in the bags. I grabbed some toilet paper as well. The So Soft, usually I get like the, So Strong or whatever, but this is all they had this time, so I went ahead and grabbed that one. This is from Wegmans here. I had to grab a couple of razors. I have the Venus brand, but I didn't like my selections as if you watched the shop with me, so I grabbed these ones instead. And as well as I needed a few more of these Airwick. Oh my gosh. The Airwick scents. Guys, I can't talk. Okay, so I just needed a couple of these. All right, moving on. Then I have a couple of spices. I got these ones from Aldi, some paprika, and I got some crushed red pepper here. I'm making a lot of like South Asian, Indian type dishes. Using a lot of that spicy stuff. And then this is from Wegmans, some ground mustard, just because I was out in my pantry. This is also from Wegmans as well. Some more curry paste. I'm making 2 curry dishes this week. I couldn't find the Penang curry at Wegmans. They usually are really good about carrying harder to find items like that, which are harder to find in this area, but I couldn't find it, so we're just gonna do the red curry paste as well, which is fine because basically what I read, the Penang curry is just a milder curry, and I don't mind spicy. These are also from Wegmans. I have 3 cans of coconut milk because, like I said, I'm making basically 2 curry dishes this week. From Wegmans again, some of these little tiny cute adorable fajita wraps, because we are going to do like those shrimp tacos. And then from Aldi, back to Aldi, we have our waffles. These are pretty standard. I've noticed they've gone down in price, which is awesome because everything else is going up. Drives me nuts. But these are still a really good bargain. And here we have our usual squeezes that I like to buy for my son. Make sure he's getting all his fruits and veggies every day. And then these I'm so excited about. They had all of these adorable little St. Patrick's Day candles. This one's flavor was daffodils and wild clover. Oh, it smells so good and so fresh. I love fresh candle scents. They also had like Irish cream, and I can't remember what the other one is. Check out the shop with me. And then this agave blossom. Oh, it smells so good, guys. I can't wait to light these. I love candles. And these are the soy blend candles from the Huntington home. They smell so good. The scent lasts through the whole candle. It's amazing. Highly recommend. But the little baby ones were on sale, so of course I had to grab a whole bunch. I wish I could have grabbed more. Now we just have a couple more things right here in the back. A couple fun snacks that I saw. Trying to get out of the light again. So these are from Wegmans here. These were going out. Sorry, these were being discontinued. They are the white cheddar harvest white cheddar harvest snaps. What they are basically like dehydrated sugar snap peas, and they have, you know, like a yummy flavorful coating. These are so good. They have a million different flavors, but I guess they're discontinuing the white cheddar ones, which I don't know why. I feel like that would be a popular flavor, but I grabbed a couple of those. And then from Aldi, a couple more things. I grabbed these here tortilla chips to go along with a meal. They had the cheddar and jalapeno popcorn left. I wish they still had the wasabi one, because the wasabi one was so much better. But this one was really good too, so I grabbed one more bag of that. And then I saw these last week. They had these, and they had a pancetta and parm, but I grabbed the balsamic vinegar and a rosemary kettle chips to give those a try, as they're Aldi fine as well. That is it for this week's weekly grocery haul. If you guys need some meal plan inspiration, go ahead and check it out. I got that coming for you right now. And don't forget to check out the shop with me, guys. Okay, here is this week's weekly meal plan. So for breakfast, I have pretty much our usual things for breakfast and lunch. We have berries and yogurt, waffles, and bananas, or like a combination of you know, those things. For lunches, I have like that deli chicken, and we can do like chicken and cheese sandwiches. I can make peanut butter and jelly. We have fish sticks, chicken nuggets, or, you know, chicken patties. And then I can serve that to my son with a squeeze and crackers if he's still hungry. So for dinners, Monday, I'm gonna do some like Italian baked chicken thighs. I still have a couple chicken thighs from a few weeks ago in my freezer. So I'm gonna finish those off in the oven, and I'll serve that with some like scalloped potatoes or baked fries, something like that. Tuesday, I'll make up some shrimp tacos, and I can serve that alongside some like chips and salsa if we need to. Wednesday will be just like an easy pesto and spaghetti. So I have a bit of pesto left. I'm gonna finish that off, and frozen meatballs that we got last week or the week before. Thursday, I'll be making a seitan steak breakfast burritos. I have leftover seitan from last week, and I'm just going to use up the rest of that and make like some quick little burritos. And if you don't know what seitan is, it is made of vital wheat gluten, or like also known as washed flour. It is the gluten in flour. It's protein. It's very high in protein. It's a good meat substitute. Friday, I'm going to be making up a Thai red curry noodle soup. I'm really excited to try this. I haven't tried it yet, but that's what the vermicelli noodles are going to be for. Saturday, I was going to do the Panang curry. Being that I couldn't find the Panang curry, I guess it's technically just going to be more of like a standard red curry, which no big deal. I really like red curry, but we're going to use a lot of vegetables and stuff in that. Probably serve it over some of the brown rice. Sunday, I'm going to be making the avole mano. I had this on my weekly meal plan like 2 weeks ago or so, and somebody asked for the recipe, so I'm going to be filming this. So that's why I have it on my list here again, so I can film that and get it out to you guys. So keep your eye out for that if you would like the recipe. And avole mano is like an egg and lemon soup. and it's really good, and it's pretty healthy for you too, guys, so give that a try. That is it for this week's weekly grocery haul and meal plan inspiration, guys. Please don't forget to check out the shop with me. The link will be in the description down below. And thanks again so much for watching. Okay, I love you. Bye.